Hella, explained, a cool slang word. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving deep into a fun and popular slang word in English, hella. Ever come across it and wondered what it means? By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning, but you'll also be able to use it like a pro. Let's jump right in. Hella is primarily a slang term originating from the west coast of the United States, especially in California. It's believed to be a contraction of the phrase, helluva, or helluva. Over time, its usage has spread to other regions, making it a recognizable term in various parts of the English-speaking world. In its essence, hella is used as an informal intensifier to mean very or a lot of. For instance, this pizza is hella good. This pizza is very good. I have hella homework tonight. I have a lot of homework tonight. Using hella can add a casual, laid-back tone to your statement, often giving it a West Coast flavor. To use hella correctly, simply replace very or a lot in your sentence. Here are some examples. Correct. She's hella talented. Incorrect. She's hella a talented person. Avoid using an article after hella. Correct. There were hella people at the party. Incorrect. There was hella a crowd at the party. Again, avoid the article after hella. Remember, hella is informal, so it might not be suitable for formal situations or writings. And there you have it. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to use hella in your everyday conversations. It's a fun way to add some West Coast vibes to your chat. We hope you found this video hella informative. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of the English language.